All right, guys. My name is Lajoie. I work for Rain Engineering in IT and Cybersecurity. And I want to talk about what's probably always going to be the weakest link in the chain when it comes to cybersecurity until the AI overlords take over, which is the user, right? Industry has spent decades and billions of dollars securing software, securing hardware, and they've done a pretty good job. Velodic has secured their software, Tony and Vanik have secured their hardware, and it's their job to do that, but it's not their job to deal with our users. When I say our users, that's pretty much every user in the world. So what I want to talk about today is kind of three things, what it would take to actually kind of bring the users on board and get them comfortable enough to be secure in cybersecurity and ask the right questions. So you really need three things. You're looking at policy, training, and tools. So all three of those things working together should be enough to kind of change the culture at a company. And I can say any company in 2026, it basically applies to everybody. But with the right policy, your users are going to understand what's expected of them. With the right training, they're going to understand how to interpret the policy and how to use the tools that you've given them. And there are some enterprise level tools that make their lives much easier and take a lot of the risk away from them in terms of having to secure the most common thing that usually is the result of every cyber incident is usually traced back to a user problem of some sort. Still over 50%, they trace it back to either improperly or insecure user credentials, a mistake, or malicious intent by the user.